What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a look at SVE's bump steer kit designed for the S197 Mustangs and why it's an important upgrade for your car. If you plan on lowering or you've already lowered your 2005 to 2014 Mustang, then you should consider this bump steer kit from industry leader SVE. This kit is designed to properly correct suspension geometry and eliminate bump steer on lowered S197 Mustangs. Believe it or not, every car has bump steer. However, when you lower your Mustang, you increase the amount of bump steer that occurs because of the changes in tow. Undesirable bump steer is easily noticed whenever you go over bumps because of the suspension is actually steering the car instead of the driver. This SVE bump steer kit replaces the factory outer tie rods and incorporates heavy-duty spherical rod ends for superior performance. Adjustability is extremely easy because of the included spacers, which are there to help properly dial in the suspension geometry. The tapered rod end is engineered to the exact specification of the spindle, so no drilling or modification is required when installing this kit. Fitment-wise, this kit is designed to fit all 2005 to 2014 Mustangs equipped with a power rack or a manual rack that accepts the factory outer tie rod thread pitch. In the box will be 2 bump steer assemblies and of course all needed hardware for installation. Today I'm going to be installing this SVE bump steer kit into our 2011 Mustang GT road race car.
To begin the install, support the car via a lift or jack stands. Go ahead and remove both front wheels. Starting with the driver's side, loosen and remove the outer tie rod to spindle retaining nut with an 18mm wrench. In this video, we're going to be showing you a unique method to determine outer tie rod placement. Use a large zip tie and fasten it to the outer tie rod stud. Run it the length of the inner tie rod. Use a paint pen or something equivalent and place 4 marks. Loosen the jam nut just enough so that the outer tie rod can be removed. Reinstall the factory 18mm nut a few turns and then strike the side of the spindle to remove the outer tie rod. Rotate the outer tie rod counterclockwise until it's completely removed from the inner tie rod. Install just the threaded body and spherical rod end onto the inner tie rod. Slide the tapered stud into the spherical rod end. Position the tapered portion into the spindle. Position the zip tie into place and check your index marks. More than likely, you didn't get them aligned the first try. Remove the spherical rod end from the stud. Rotate the threaded body clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on which direction you need to go. Reinstall the spherical rod end back onto the stud and then check the index marks. Once the 4 marks are aligned, remove the zip tie. Install the correct washer over the stud and finger tighten the locking nut. At this time, use the correct assortment of spacers above the spherical rod end to ensure that the inner tie rod and bump steer assembly is parallel with the lower control arm. The remaining spacers will be stacked underneath the spherical rod end. Thread on the 24mm nut and torque to 50 pound-feet. Torque the top retaining nut to 40 pound-feet. Run up the jam nut and fully tighten it against the threaded body. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side. Be sure and stack the washers in the same orientation. After that, you're all finished.
Alright guys, as far as installation is concerned, this one should take you a few hours to get knocked out. A few tools is all you need and you can do it by yourself. Now once you finish up the installation, I would recommend running the car down to your local alignment shop just to have them double check everything. SVE's bump steer kit is going to be for the S197 owner out there that is lowering or have already lowered their car. This is the reason why I strongly recommend this SVE bump steer kit to all 2005 to 2014 Mustang owners. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT lighting.